In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most of your Airtable experience by integrating it with the powerful PDF Maker extension. This nifty tool will allow you to create and generate PDFs directly from your Airtable records, whether you're managing projects, keeping track of client information, or simply need a neat way to format your data. This guide will help you set up and start using PDF Maker efficiently. First things first, let's dive into your Airtable base. Once you have it open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen and look for the Extensions button. Note that this was formerly known as Apps, so don't be surprised if you see some references to its older title in other discussions or materials. After clicking on Extensions, you'll see an option to add an extension. Go ahead and click on this. In the search bar that appears, type in PDF Maker. As you search, the PDF Maker extension should pop up. Click Install and watch as it magically integrates into your Airtable base, ready to elevate your workflow. Once you have PDF Maker set up, you're going to want to create a template which will act as the foundation of your PDFs. To do this, head over to the Templates tab within the PDF Maker extension. Here's where you get to flex your creative muscles. Hit Create a New Template and start designing your document. Use placeholders to represent the fields in your Airtable base. For instance, if your dataset includes names and dates, you can use placeholders like name and /date. These placeholders will automatically pull data from your base and insert it into your PDF. Once you've crafted your masterpiece, make sure to save your template. It will serve as the blueprint for your future PDFs. You're nearly at the finish line. Now it's time to actually generate those PDFs. Navigate to the Generate PDF tab, still within the PDF Maker extension. Here, select the template that you've just created. You'll then choose which Airtable records you'd like to generate PDFs for. This means you can tailor multiple PDFs for different records in just a few clicks. Finally, hit Generate, and voila! The PDFs, complete with the data from your records, will be automatically saved in an attachment field in your Airtable base. This makes for easy access and sharing without ever having to leave Airtable. And there you have it. Creating and generating PDFs within Airtable has never been simpler. By following these steps, you can streamline your document production, all while maintaining the organized and accessible structure of your Airtable base. Enjoy crafting your documents and take full advantage of this seamless integration. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more productive tips to enhance your Airtable journey.